Good morning, dear students. Today we will solve question number 21 and 22 of practice sheet 1. Question number 21 is fill in the blanks. First blank is standard unit for length is dash. Dear students, to measure length, different measuring tools are used. Here you can see that it is a meter rod which is used to measure the length of cloth. Standard unit for length is meter. So we will write meter in the given blank. Our second fill up is 108 centimeter is equal to dash meter dash centimeter. Dear students, it is a meter rod. It has been divided into 100 equal parts and each part represents the length of 1 centimeter. But on meter rod, instead of writing 1, 2, 3, numbers are written as 10, 20, 30, 40 up to 100 for our convenience. There are 100 centimeter in 1 meter. Our question was 108 centimeter is equal to dash meter dash centimeter. As we have done, there are 100 centimeter in 1 meter. So its answer will be 1 meter 8 centimeter. In our third fill up, we have given some weighing units whose weight is written on them and one blank is there. Including the blank, we have to make it total equal to 1 kilogram. So start calculating the total weight of given weighing units and then we will see how much more weight is required that we have to fill in the blank to make it equal to 1 kilogram. 500 gram and 200 gram, 700 gram, 700 and 100, 800 grams. But there are 1000 grams in 1 kilogram. So 200 grams more required to fill. So we will write 200 grams in blank. Our fourth fill up is 1000 milliliter is equal to dash liter. Dear students, as we know, there are 1000 milliliter in 1 liter. So we will write 1 in the blank. Our next fill up is weight of downside of weighing scale is dash than the weight of upside of weighing scale. Dear students, the heavier side of weighing scale goes down and the lighter side of weighing scale goes upside. Means weight of downside of weighing scale is more than weight of upside of weighing scale. Next question number 22 is mark tick to the correct statement and cross to the incorrect statement. Our first statement is there are 18 edges of six-faced shape. Here you can see that we have this six-faced shape. Let's count its edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Six-faced shape have 12 edges. So the given statement is incorrect. So we will put a cross in front of it. Our second statement is there is no vertex of a circle. It is a figure of circle and you can see it has no vertex. So our given statement is correct and we will put a tick in front of it. Our third statement is diameter of a circle is equal to 2 into radius. Here we have a circular paper. Let's fold it into 2 equal parts. Now fold it once more. Here you can see the pinpoint which we got. It is the center of the circle O. The distance from the center of circle to any point on circumference is known as the radius of the circle. Here you can see OA is the radius of the circle. Now unfold the paper and you can see here we have a line segment which is passing from the center and whose end points are on circumference. The line which passes from the center and end points at circumference is known as the diameter of circle. Here AB is the diameter of the circle. Now you can see the length of diameter is twice the length of radius. Means diameter of a circle is equal to 2 into radius, which is correct. So we will put a tick in front of this statement. Our fourth statement is diameter is the shortest chord of circle. Here you can see that I have a circular paper. Now let's fold this circular paper from different sides. As you can see, I have folded it. Now unfold it. And while unfolding, we have got some line segments whose endpoints are on its circumference. The line segment which has endpoints on its circumference is known as the chord of the circle. Here AB, PQ, MN are the chords of this circle. And now you can see the length of PQ chord is more than others. And the line segment PQ is passing from the center of the circle and having endpoints on the circumference. So this is the diameter of circle and it is the longest chord of the circle. So we can say diameter is the longest chord of the circle. But in the given statement, diameter is the shortest chord of circle is incorrect. So we will put a cross in front of it. Fifth statement is there are 5 views of 5-faced shape. Here you can see we have a 5 faces shape. Let's count its views. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has 5 views. So the given statement is true. We will put a tick in front of it. Now it is time for homework. From home you will solve question number 21 and 22 in your notebook.